Guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add an extra layer of security on your passwords, especially on your saved passwords, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, imagine the following scenario, okay? Someone has access to your computer and enters on your Google Chrome and has access to all your saved passwords. How to solve it, how to fix it. This is what we're going to learn in this video. Now, review on your Google Chrome the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your profile, next to the closing app icon, there is these three little dots. I'm going to click on it, okay? Then, I'm going to search for passwords and autofill, okay? Right here. Then, all I have to do is go to Google Passwords Manager, review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to this key icon, we have these three little dots into the upper left corner of our screen, just right here. Now, we're gonna click on Settings. Once on Settings, make sure that you have the three first settings enabled, okay? This is very important for your security. And what we're gonna fix right here, this option right here, use Windows Hello when filling passwords. If you share this device with others, you can turn on Windows Hello to verify it's you or it's you, whatever you use a saved password. So as soon as you see, click right here, they're gonna ask for Windows PIN, okay? So you can set a PIN or a code, or for example. And now after PIN entered, the option is on, and every time that I try to use a saved passwords on Google Chrome, they're gonna ask for Windows PIN. So we're gonna add an extra layer of security to even load the password, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.